morning, Level 2. How are you today? Okay, welcome to Friday in week 12. I hope you've had a good week. Busy, lots of assessments to do. Today, our lesson is reading. Next week, your assessment will be reading event 2. So today's lesson will be good practice for your reading assessment next week. Okay, so let's have a look at some vocabulary before you do your reading. The reading today, it's two different readings. The first one is called Yike Bike. And the second one is a difficult reading. Okay, so the first one, guys, so here we go. Some vocabulary. Invent, verb, to invent something. Design and build something new. The noun is invention, and the person who invents something new is the inventor. So we have invent, invention, and inventor. Okay, now this phrasal verb, fold up. So if you have a look at this bike here, you can fold it up to make it smaller. Maybe to take on a bus or to put in your house or your apartment. The second one, hold on, another phrasal verb. So hold on to something with your hands. So this picture here, the person is holding on to the handlebars on a bike. Next one, to sit straight up. So to sit straight up, like this lady is here. Sit straight up. Okay, carry, the verb carry. So this man is carrying some boxes. Footpath, the noun. These people are walking on the footpath, which is beside the road. In some countries, they call it the pavement. In England, they call this the pavement. Here we have the cycle path. The green part is the cycle path for cyclists, and the other side is for people to walk, the footpath. Okay, carbon fiber. You might need to look up this word in your dictionary. I could not find a picture for carbon fiber. It is a type of material that things are made of, a very light material. The next one, come down, which is a phrasal verb, and it can mean decrease, go down. So if prices come down, prices are reduced. Okay, so those words will be in your first reading, Yike Bike. The second reading is difficult. It is New Zealander of the Year, Professor Ed Gain. These are just some of the words that are in your reading. The reading is about hepatitis C, which is a disease. Hepatitis C, the disease, affects the organ in your body, the liver. So this is a picture of the liver, and this is where it is in your body. It causes a liver disease called cirrhosis of the liver. It is an infection. There may or may not be a vaccine for this infection. There may or may not be a cure. for this disease. So you will need your dictionaries for the second reading, guys. It's very difficult. So good luck. Let's have a look at the tasks you will need to do. So the first one here is very small, yike bike. And the second one, New Zealander of the Year Awards, Professor Ed Gain. There he is, very handsome man. And here are your tasks. It's good to do, it's good practice for your assessment next week. So, task 1, why was the text written? Task 2, write a sentence for each question. So, for example, number 1, what is a yike bike? To write a full sentence, you would say, a yike bike is... Number 2, who designed this bike? The person's name, somebody designed this bike. Number 3, why is the bike useful? It is useful because, then give your reason. So this is very good practice for your reading assessment. Number 5, what kind of disease is hepatitis C? Hepatitis C is a blah blah disease. So to get your full sentence, hepatitis C is a disease. Number 6, what does the hepatitis C virus cause? It causes blah, blah, blah. Number 7, has there been any effective treatment? To write a full sentence, don't just write yes or no. There has or there has not been any effective treatment. Number 8, how can patients with hepatitis C be cured? Thanks to Professor Gain. Patients with hepatitis C can be cured, blah, blah, blah. So how? How can they be cured? Okay, for task 3, you need to circle true or false. So just read the statements, read the sentences, and is it true or is it false? And task 4 is a vocabulary match. So you put the word here next to the correct meaning. So we have fold up, remember? Environment, cure, charge, as in charge a battery, award, volunteer, hold on, professor, and disease. Okay. Then you have the answer key, but don't look yet. Okay, guys, so I think there was one. Here we go. I missed some pictures. I missed some vocab from earlier. This one here is an electric bike. Yeah, an electric bike has a battery. And when the battery runs out of power, you need to charge. Charge your battery. Okay, guys, good luck with your reading. And next week, Next week's assessment will be reading event 2. And if you haven't finished your speaking event 2, they will continue next week. All right, guys. So have a good week. And I will see you next Friday. Okay, bye.